I'm standing on a street here in Los Angeles, and I'd like to talk with you about how I go about and how I recommend showing luxury property. The mansion behind me is a beautiful home here in a lovely neighborhood of Los Angeles. And so I'm going to walk you through it point by point with tidbits I've learned of knowledge throughout my 30-year career on how best to show property to the affluent and the influential. Please join me. Welcome. Come in. What a lovely day we have here to see property that I think you may enjoy. Just relax, and we're going to make the most of your time. And I'm happy to be your tour guide. I'm Ernie. Let me just review what happened at that front door that I opened for you. You noticed I opened it and swung it wide and stepped away so that the buyer was looking into the house beyond me or could see around me. I see the mistakes so many agents make is they open a door like this and they stand there like, I'm what you're here to see. We're not what they came to see. They came to see the house, folks. So get out of the way. That's one of my first important suggestions to all agents that work with me. The buyers are not here to see us. They're here to see the room and the house. Stay out of the way, get to the side of the room, get out of the middle. Try not to have the buyers looking at your back as you walk from room to room. Walk to the side so that their view is always around you, looking forward to the next pretty outlook in that home.